is Dr Saqib. I am from Pakistan. I recently cleared my PLAB 2 exam with the help of MEDASTRA. I'm recording this a very short video message for all of you guys who are going to appear in the PLAB 2 exam. So my message is that it's a very easy exam to pass and it's a very easy exam to fail. First of all, I wish you all of the best luck for all those who are going to appear in the PLAB 2 exam. So one important thing that I'm going to tell you that I mentioned that it's a very easy to fail, it's a very easy to pass. So how it's very easy to fail? Actually, you need to know in this exam that what are the GMC guidelines and what are the things that actually GMC wants to see inside you. So what exactly going on that we go after big names that currently working inside the UK. I also did this. I enrolled into one of the big names that currently working in Liverpool. But what I found that these guys are actually teaching you the things that are against, most of them, I'm not telling that everything, but most of them are against the guidelines of GMC that can absolutely risk your PLAB 2 exam, and these can lead to, these big names can lead you easily to fail your exam. So what we have to do, that we have to find a good mentors. That's what I did when I found that these big names are actually doing scam to you. So I started searching for a real mentor or good mentor that can actually teach you that what GMC demands actually from you inside this exam. So we came across MEDASTRA. We give their mocks especially, and their mocks, the one important thing is that their simulators were British, and that's really helped us. And there were examiners, and I'm telling you, they are the actual ex-GMC examiner, so they know that what actually GMC demands from PLAB 2 candidates. So, and also their mocks environment were literally same like GMC, and also their METI, that SIMman, is exactly like the GMC. So we found out that the MEDASTRA is actually one of the, the academy or one of the courses that actually teaches you exactly the things that GMC demands from you. So my message is that avoid all those big names and find out the good mentor, and MEDASTRA is one of the good mentor and is one of the good academy that can easily help you to pass your exam. I wish you all of the best.